New fonts are uploaded to TemplateMonster all the time, including the free ones, futuristic sci-fi fonts, and romantic display typefaces. Today we bring you 10 free and universal products that you can use for any project. Wonome Trending Display Font. It's a modern techno font suitable for logo types, headlines, brand identity templates, posters, and more. Drexs Science Fiction Display Font. This thin typeface is both simple and futuristic. It's perfect for fiction and space-related designs. Use it to create branding materials, logo types, and social media posts. Halmera Authentic Handwritten Font. Halmera has a stunning casual touch. It can be used for shopping bags, book covers, posters, and other design projects. FUIXG Futuristic Race Display Font. This bold and dynamic font is based on the combination of technology and futurism. Use it for designing modern websites, magazine layouts, and movie posters. Pletty Book Handwritten Font. It's an elegant script font with a contemporary atmosphere and impeccable form. Balanced and varied, this typeface will complement the beauty of your projects. Lixdu Display Font. Lixdu is a bold and modern-looking display font that is ideal for sportswear, logo design, advertisements, and more. Qitt Chesta font. It's a monoline script font with natural movement and cute style. It will look especially good on clothing, social media artwork, and logo designs. CORPOR Display Font. This font has a minimal and futuristic character. Where can you use it? Anywhere you need to add a touch of sci-fi, like game design, music, or movie titles, advertising, and more. Mighty Kingdom Handwritten Font. It's a fun and casual font inspired by manually written letters. Mighty Kingdom is great for almost any projects, including branding and logo design. Angelis Monoline Script Font. This free font has an elegant signature style. Use it to upgrade photography, invitations, stationery, and any projects that need handwriting style. That's it for today. Check out the description box to get links to all of these products and more. See you in the next video. Bye!